अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज मैं आपके सामने इंग्लिश का सबक नंबर 2.2 द हाउस बिल्डर। दिस इज a story of a mason who worked for a building contractor. The mason always strove to do his work to perfection. As soon as a house had been designed by the architect and details finalized by the engineer, the contractor would send for the mason and leave the responsibility of building the house to him. The mason would then, without wasting time, start